Introduction to CSS. In this video, we'll delve into CSS colors and background properties. Introduction to CSS. Welcome to this tutorial on CSS. In this video, we'll dive into the world of colors in CSS, understanding different types of colors and how to use them effectively in your web projects. In this video, we'll delve into CSS colors and background properties. CSS color property. CSS offers various ways to specify colors for web elements. Let's explore the different color types in CSS. Named colors. Hexadecimal colors. RGB and RGBA colors. HSL and HSLA colors. Named colors. Named colors are predefined color names like red, blue, green, etc. Examples. Color, green, number 008000. Color, yellow, hash FFFF00. Hexadecimal colors. Hexadecimal colors use a 6-digit code, hash RRGGBB, to define a color. Each pair of digits represents the intensity of red, green, and blue. Example. Color, hash 00FF00, green. Color, hash 0000FF, blue. Color, number 000000, black. RGB and RGBA colors. RGB, red, green, blue, and RGBA, red, green, blue, alpha. Red. This is an integer value between 0 and 255, representing the amount of red in the color. Green. This is an integer value between 0 and 255, representing the amount of green in the color. Blue. This is an integer value between 0 and 255, representing the amount of blue in the color. Alpha. This is a number between 0, fully transparent, and 1, fully opaque, indicating the opacity of the color. Example, color, RGBA, 255, 001, red. HSL and HSLA colors. HSL, hue, saturation, lightness, represents colors using these parameters. Hue, color itself, 0 to 360 degrees. Saturation, intensity of the color, 0% to 100%. Lightness, brightness of the color, 0% to 100%. Example, color, HSL, 120, 100%, 50%, green. HSLA is HSL with an alpha channel, opacity. Example, color, HSLA, 240, 100%, 50%, 0.7, semi-transparent blue. CSS background property. CSS also allows you to control the background of elements. Types CSS background elements. Background color. Background image. Background size and repeat. CSS background color. Background color property sets the background color of an element. Example. Background color, yellow. Background color, number 008000. Background color, RGBA, 255, 001, red. Background color, HSLA, 240, 100%, 50%, 0.7, semi-transparent blue. Conclusion. Understanding CSS colors and background colors is essential for creating visually appealing and engaging websites. Experiment with different color types and combinations to enhance the design of your web pages. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CSS tutorials. Thank you for watching.